Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's get real for a moment. What if you could indulge in high-impact color while also making a choice that's better for the planet? Well, today we're looking at Maybelline's Green Edition Buttercream High-Pigment Bullet Lipstick in the shade Ecliptic. A creamy plum that promises bold color and care for your lips, all wrapped in a sustainable formula. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. This lipstick from Maybelline is part of their Green Edition collection, a line that's all about high-performance makeup with a cleaner, greener footprint. The Buttercream lipstick is designed to give your lips a burst of creamy, buttery color. Imagine that smooth texture you love from a lip balm, but with vibrant pigment. It's crafted with cocoa butter to keep your lips feeling nourished and soft while delivering rich color. Now, the standout feature here? The formula. This lipstick contains 86% natural origin ingredients, which is a big win in the beauty world, where consumers are looking for products that are not only effective, but also cleaner and more eco-conscious. Plus, it's made with a vegan and cruelty-free formula. Talk about a beauty product that checks multiple boxes, right? From a packaging standpoint, it's also worth mentioning that Maybelline has been making strides towards sustainability. The cap and base are made from 95% recycled plastic, another step toward a more eco-friendly beauty industry. It's great to see brands acknowledging the environmental impact of their packaging. But how does it actually perform in the real world? Let me tell you, this lipstick is as creamy as it sounds. When I first applied it, the texture was buttery smooth. No dragging or uneven application, just effortless color. The Ecliptic shade, this deep, creamy plum, gives you that sophisticated, bold look without feeling too over the top. It's perfect for those who want a rich, dramatic lip that still feels comfortable throughout the day. Now, I'll admit, while it's creamy, I was surprised by how long-lasting the color was. I didn't have to constantly reapply throughout the day, which is often a concern with creamy formulas. Of course, after eating or drinking, you'll need to touch up, but that's typical for most lipsticks, even the long-wear ones. On the flip side, there's a slight downside. If you're looking for a lipstick with a super matte finish, this one may not be for you. It leans more toward a soft, satiny finish, which I personally love, but if you're a die-hard matte fan, you might find yourself missing that ultra matte effect. As for value for money, let's break it down. At 0.12 odds, you're getting a solid amount of product for the price. And with all the natural ingredients, the sustainable packaging, and the performance, I'd say it offers great value. The price feels justified, especially considering the eco-conscious formula and Maybelline's overall commitment to cleaner beauty. Comparing this to other lipsticks in a similar price range, I'd say Maybelline hits the sweet spot between quality and affordability. You might find higher-end brands with similar formulations, but they often come with a much higher price tag. So, for a mid-range lipstick, this is definitely on point. As far as build quality goes, the packaging feels sturdy. It's not the most luxurious lipstick packaging, but it's functional and does the job. I appreciate the eco-friendly approach, though I do wish the mechanism felt a bit more solid, but that's a minor detail. Customer service-wise, Maybelline has a solid reputation for responding quickly to inquiries and concerns. While I haven't had to interact with them personally regarding this lipstick, the brand's customer service is generally well regarded in the beauty industry. Now, I won't mention updates here because there's no new reformulation or packaging change with this particular lipstick. If you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, there are a few alternatives, like Revlon's Super Lustrous Lipstick range, which also offers high pigment color with a creamy texture. It's a bit more affordable, but you won't get the same level of eco-conscious ingredients. Another option could be L'Oreal's color-rich lipsticks, which deliver a similar creamy formula with a good range of shades. To wrap things up, Maybelline's Green Edition Buttercream High-Pigment Bullet Lipstick in Ecliptic is definitely a winner in my book. It's creamy, pigmented, and long-lasting, plus it's got a cleaner, more sustainable formula. If you're into bold lip colors that feel comfortable and are eco-friendly, this is a fantastic option to add to your collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the link to purchase this lipstick will be in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.